If the sheer thought of bedbugs keeps you up at night, you may be wondering, how do these creepy crawly creatures make their way into our homes? Bedbugs are oval-shaped insects, about the size of an apple seed. They come out at night and they can't fly, though they can crawl very, very quickly. This might give you the ick. Bedbugs feed on human blood, which causes those itchy bites. Other than bites, signs you might have bedbugs include fecal spots, shell casings, eggs, bloodstains on your sheets, and an unusual musty odor. You can think of bedbugs as little hitchhikers. They rely on their host to get from place to place. They can sneak into the home from places like bus seats, theater cushions, purses, or luggage. Once they're in the home, bedbugs can hide in bedroom furniture, like your mattress, box spring, or bed frame. And while there is a whole list of tips to get rid of bedbugs at home, WebMD suggests hiring an experienced exterminator to deal with pests.